Taking a peek at the key fob for the F150 Lightning. Along the back side of the fob is just the Ford badge. Front side of the fob, you've got the unlock button, lock button, frunk release, horn or panic alarm, and then there's also the emergency access key. So if the fob's ever died on you and you need to get inside, all you're gonna do, insert, twist, and you're good to go. You don't have the option of remote starting through the fob. That can be done through the Ford Pass app, where you'd be able to do a number of other things too. But if you want to walk through on that Ford Pass app, you'll find it down in the description of this video. You can double push the frunk button there if you wanted to pop it open. Straightforward. You can double push again if you wanted to close. There's also a button there that you can push in order to close the frunk as well. Then you've got a few neat key fob tricks that you can do inside of the ride. So if you double push the unlock button, and then you're going to push and hold on that second one. So you're going to go 1, 2, and hold on a second press. Watch this. Down the windows go. You can push the lock button to pause it part way, and then double push that unlock button again in order to continue the cycle. So it is just going to be for the first row, driver side windows, but that's kind of neat. And then unfortunately, reversing the process is not possible. So it's going to be power down, but manual back up. And then in order to make sure that that feature is enabled, all you're going to do, hop inside, start her up. And while that's loading, if you want to walk through on the steering wheel buttons, the cluster, or the infotainment, you'll find walkthroughs down in the description of this video. But if we look here, you hit the little car icon, that gives you a boatload of different settings. So you've got things like driver assistance settings. As this loads up, so it's going to be for things like adaptive cruise control, things like that, and then different alert systems. And you've got your vehicle settings, and that's what we're looking for here. So you've got the flexibility of adjusting remote start. So when you remote start through the Ford Pass app, do you even want to do it? And then if you do it, do you want to let the vehicle determine the climate settings, or is it based off of your last settings? Do you want the heated seats and steering wheel to come on automatically? Or if you're in the Lariat or Platinum, do you want the ventilated seats coming on as well? Again, based off of how hot or cold it is outside, and then how long do you want that remote start to last for? And then there's the option for your windows where you can remote open them. So you just need to make sure that that setting's enabled. And then you've got your power tailgate and a bunch of other features on top of that. But like I said, if you want a full walkthrough, you'll find it down in the description. But that's how you use the key fob inside of the F150 Lightning.